Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update or change your email address with which you have opened your Ring account. So, let's go ahead and change or update the email address. Go to Ring and then click on the drop-down menu. Now go to Account Settings and then click on Email. Now you can change it by clicking on Update. What you need to do is write down your email address and the password of your address. Now click Continue and a verification code will be sent to the phone number with which you have registered your Ring app with. Copy the OTP code and paste it in this box. Now click Verify Code, and after the verification is complete, you can enter the new email which you want to replace your old email with. Confirm the new email once again and click on Change Email. Now you can see that your email address has been changed. Go to Sign In and sign in with the email address with which you just changed. Now type in the same password which you had with your previous email address. Click on Login and then the verification code will come again to your phone. Copy it and paste it in this box and then click Verify Code. And this way you can update your email address. Now you can go to the email address and click on the Verify icon. You can see that there's a mail. Click on the mail and click Verify Now. Congratulations, you have just completed the update of email in your Ring device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.